This is the world's biggest robot vacuum for the ocean. A floating structure about half the size of a swimming pool, it is equipped with cutting-edge ocean cleaning technology and built for scalability. Welcome to Circular Blue, our bold initiative to turn the tide against legacy plastic. Every year, 10 million tons of plastic waste enter the ocean, threatening marine life and our food systems. Left unchecked, this waste breaks down into microplastics, infiltrating ecosystems and ultimately our plates. The consequences are severe and the time to act is now. But tackling ocean waste is no easy task. Most solutions are inefficient, costly, and unsustainable. And so, Rhino Shield is stepping forward with a bold new approach. We're introducing a floating island, designed to intercept and process ocean waste along coastlines, the areas where 80% of this trash ends up. Circular Blue operates like a robot vacuum for the ocean. Equipped with autonomous drones powered by AI, the system identifies and collects waste with precision. The island runs on solar energy and features an innovative seawater-driven system to minimize energy consumption while efficiently gathering trash for processing. So, we've shaped the concept. What's in it for us?
因为我们本来就是在做塑胶的，我们的主张其实是做 protection， 所以 protection 除了 protect 产品 ，protect the planet 就是保护地球，也是我们的管辖内。在去年，我们完成了我们自己的 milestone， 就是 Circular Next 的计划，让我们的产品不要变成垃圾，把垃圾变成我们的产品，就变成我们的下一个计划。这个就是我们一开始会去做 Circular Blue 的原因。
It's not the first ocean cleanup, but how are we doing it differently?
海洋垃圾都是从河里流出去的 ，coastline 的垃圾其实现在是没有人清，可是80%的垃圾是在 coastline。那简单来讲，我们其实就是建造一个扫地机器人在 coastline。我们用的 technology 跟其他人不太一样的地方是，我们用更多的自动化，因为捡海洋垃圾是一件非常贵的事情，我们用更多的自动化加 AI。我们的能量其实是一个比较 sustainable 的方式，我们不是开渔船啊、烧燃油啊去捡垃圾。从工程、物流，怎么样让它自给自足？法规各式各样的东西，我觉得问题都很多，技术这些都是问题。
The road hasn't been easy. From engineering challenges to securing internal support for such an unconventional project, every step has tested us. But we're committed. This prototype phase is just the beginning. If it works, we'll scale up and make a bigger impact on our oceans.
最终，我对这个 project 的期望就是，我们可以有一天找到一个可规模化的方式，把海上的垃圾全部清光。以今年来讲，我们的目标其实是让这一个工程的 prototype 可以自己的运作。那扫地机器人它自己去找垃圾，完全都不会需要用人。这些船可以自己抵账，然后我们可以算减垃圾每公斤的成本是多少。
Circular Blue is more than a project. It's a movement. If you're passionate about sustainability or curious about how technology can fight pollution, stay tuned for updates.